Hi, Matt Smith.
You got this, girl.
Got it.
Aww.
Wish me good luck.
You got this.
Now get back to work. Hi, I'm Amanda Smith, and I'm a part of the leadership team here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group. How I actually joined the Matt Smith Real Estate Group team is I have been here from day one, the absolute very beginning of the whole process. I am Matt Smith's wife, so I've been along from the very beginning. The ping pong table in our basement was our first desk. It was our community desk that we all used because we didn't have an office. So that's how I got here. The process from where we started this 6 years ago to where we are now, it's completely different, and it's been so exciting to see how much has changed. It started out, it was just, pretty much me and Matt. Ryan came along, but it was just the three of us trying to build the team, and then now Matt, isn't out having to sell houses anymore. He's got this amazing group of people that he's teaching now. How they can go and sell houses and change more lives. And we've moved, we've grown, we've gotten so much bigger, we've added people, we've got into different locations and areas and new fun places, and it's been super exciting and completely different from where we were 6 years ago. What I enjoy the most about working here is definitely the people. Getting to come in and talk to everyone every day. It's interesting to see all the different departments and how different people are and how different departments work so much differently. Some of my favorite things that I like to do around here is pretty much anything on the operations side. Whenever Matt and I started this team, Matt was obviously really focused on the sales side of it because that's his language and that's what he knows. That is definitely not mine. I like the other side, the administrative part. So I enjoy the operations people that we have here. They are phenomenal, and I love diving into their stuff every day, finding out what they have going on, solving problems. So whenever Matt and I are kind of working on the business, he sticks to the sales side, and I really enjoy just helping out and giving input on the operation side of the business. Some of my favorite memories so far on the team are probably any time that we have events together outside of the office. So we do Super Bowl parties, that was probably our most recent one. We go on float trips together down the river in the summer. We've been to Mexico together on vacation, pool parties, anytime that we're out of the office and we all get to hang out, our kids hang out together. Those are absolutely my favorite memories. When I'm not helping out here at the office, you will pretty much always find me at the lake. Matt and I and the kids like to go up pretty much anytime that we can. If the weather is warm enough and allows us to, we are at the lake, we are on the boat, in the water, us and our two kids, and that's pretty much where we always are. If you or someone that you know is looking to buy or sell, please reach out to us. We have a ton of agents on the team that would be more than happy to give you a free consultation and walk you through the process. So definitely reach out to us, and we look forward to helping you.